Hi team, today we are on the last lesson, yay, for part 1 of Genetics 1.9. We're looking at lesson 8, mutations today. So hopefully by the end of this lesson you should be able to define mutation and mutagen, describe the 3 main categories or types of mutations, and explain how mutations cause variation. So the definition for mutation is a permanent random change in the base sequence, so that's the sequence of the letters A, C, G, and T. So it's a random permanent change in the base sequence of DNA producing a new gene or allele. This is the only way that we can get completely new genes or alleles. So with evolution and natural selection, it will pick from the alleles and stuff that already exist, but mutations add a lot of variation to the population, and they create entirely new sequences and new genes and new alleles that did not exist before, just randomly. We will talk more about that part in the third part of this topic. All you need to know for now is that there are 3 different types of mutations. There are silent mutations that have no observable effect. So they are called either silent or neutral. There are beneficial mutations that give the organism a survival advantage. So that means that it helps them live longer than other people or other individuals in the population. Or there are harmful mutations. Those are the ones that have a negative effect on health and survival, i.e. it makes them live a shorter life than others in the population. The other word that you need to know about is mutagen. So that is something that increases the rate of mutations. It causes mutations. So common mutagens that you might know about are some chemicals like coffee or fatty foods. That's one of the reasons that some things are linked to cancer, because cancer is a result often of a mutation. UV light from the sun is also a mutagen, again linking to cancer, and radiation like X-rays. So all of those things increase the chance of a mutation happening to your DNA, and that can be harmful. So we kind of want to avoid mutagens if possible. And there's a good Amoeba Sisters video there on the slides on Google Classroom if you want to watch that. It's got a lot more information if you're interested in learning more. Otherwise, that is the last slide for part 1 of genetics. You can jump on to part 2 now, or check your daily work plan for what pages you should do. Ka kite.